What's up, everybody? Brian Tong here at the Charmin Go Lab. And at CES 2020, everyone wants to kind of reinvent something. Well, here, they're showing us their future concept of the bathroom. Yes, I know you might not have thought that that needs something there. It does, and we talked to a bunch of reps here, and they just told me, right, they're not playing around here. They just want to wipe away the competition and be number one, no longer number two. In the Go Lab, they have one of their demonstrations here. It's called Smell Sense. This is a system, this is a concept, right? This is not something that's actually out yet, where you have a sensor in the back that detects odors. Then you have something like this that would be on your front door to tell you if it's safe to go inside your bathroom, because some of you know that person in your household that stinks that thing up. Personally, actually, my nephew Jake, small dude, really stinky butt odors. Really bad, Jake. You gotta fix that, dude. So what we're gonna show you here is, look, the average human fart. Nitrogen, 20 to 90%. Hydrogen, 10 to 50%. Carbon dioxide, 10 to 30%. Oxygen, 0 to 10%. And methane, 0 to 10%. All those odors, you got them burning and churning in your stomach. I'm gonna hit this button here, and this shows you kind of a simulation. We've got this little pump. Oh yeah, you know that sound. You can see the odors go to that little sensor, and then over here, uh-oh, little Charmin bear says, wait it out, wait it out, wait it out. Yeah, see, they're cheering with me. So there you have it, just a fun way of, maybe this is coming to us, the bathroom near you. It's Charmin's Smell Sense. Joining me, V.I.Pee, I guess one of the innovators at Unit 9. Is real top secret, but we came to really find out about this thing. I guess it's called the Rollbot?
Yes, absolutely. The one particular one for Rollbot is the scenario where you're sitting on the toilet, you've just finished your business, you're feeling relieved, but then that relieved quickly turns to dread when you turn around and you realize there's no toilet paper on the roll.
So yeah, that can be pretty crappy.
Yes, absolutely. That's definitely a crappy situation. So for this right now, our robot will, once you're in that situation, you hit a button on your app, and this little guy charges out from its gate to deliver you a fresh roll of Charmin toilet paper when you most need it.
Okay, rumors have been swirling that this is actually called the Butler.
The Butler? Really?
The Butler.
Okay.
Is that okay?
This is actually the first time I've heard about it, but it's a pretty
Okay,
funny name.
okay,
I've
okay.
also, other names are like, Uber for TP and,
Tuber? Oh, Poober. Charmin, you do you. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Whoa. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry about that, but doing a little business here in the V.I.Pee, P-E-E, that's pun intended, here at Charmin's Go Lab. And what the whole idea and concept of this is let's say you're at a concert venue and you don't want to miss a moment of the entertainment and just that vibe. Well, how about if you go to the restroom, you then have a VR headset that you pop in, you get to see 360 video, immersive. Man, the spot you sit in when you're watching here might be better than your concert tickets, but the whole idea is that you'll never miss a beat and you can enjoy yourself here and out of the concert venue. But I think I'm good here, so I'm ready to go. Let's get back out there, okay? I'm good to go. Yeah, good to go. So there you have it, just one of those other cool demos here at Charmin's Go Lab. Fun stuff here at Oh, dude. Oh, I shouldn't have eaten that burrito. Oh. Mommy.